your feet hurt? Have you experienced pain in your knees, hips, or back? Did you know that the leading cause of chronic foot, knee, hip, and back pain is a hindfoot misalignment? Take a look at your feet. Have you ever noticed that your forefoot turns outward or that your arch collapses more than it should? Some people have what appears to be a second inner ankle bone. Others will have the back of their heel turn out more than it should. These are just some of the signs of hindfoot misalignment. The majority of people with misaligned feet never have any pain in their feet. The pain, however, appears to their knees, hips, and back. The foot is the foundation to the body, and a misaligned foot leads to a chain reaction of strain and excessive motion to the knees, hips, and back. Eventually, that excessive motion leads to tissue and joint damage. Flat feet, bunions, heel pain, tendon strain, and peripheral nerve damage are just a few of the problems in the foot that are directly linked to hindfoot misalignment. The only difference between an aligned or misaligned foot has to do with the alignment and stability of the ankle bone. There is a common orthopedic issue where the ankle bone loses its stability on the heel bone. This dynamic deformity reoccurs with every step taken, thousands of times a day and millions of times per decade of walking. Ankle bone instability is a condition that never autocorrects. It will never go away on its own. It doesn't get better, it gets worse with every step taken. So, how can the ankle bone be realigned and stabilized? Ankle bone instability is an internal problem that can only be fixed with an internal solution. HyProCure is an internal solution to ankle bone instability. HyProCure is a titanium stent that is inserted into a naturally occurring space located between the ankle and heel bones. This space is called sinus tarsi. See how the space stays in an open position with a stable ankle bone? With ankle bone instability, that space disappears. HyProCure is simply pushed into that space. It's like putting the pin in the hinge of a door. Immediately, the hindfoot bones are realigned and internally stabilized. The normal amount of hindfoot motion still occurs, and instantly, the excessive strain to the body is reduced. Ask your doctor if HyProCure is the solution you've been looking for to help realign your feet. Refuse to let your misaligned feet slow you down. To learn more about ankle bone instability and the HyProCure solution, visit alignmyfeet.com.